All right, folks, it's Big Sid, Ready Electrical. Hey, this is a small Habitat for Humanity house that I'm inspecting. Just go over a couple of things. All right. You need to have a strap within 8 inches from that box, entering that box right there. So that's one. One of the biggest things though. All right, so we got your grounding electrode system right here. Okay, you have your grounding electrode attachment right there, and the cold states for your concrete encased UFA ground, as some people call it, UFA. In the code book is what concrete encased electrode. All right, so the minimum size copper wire is a number 4. This here wire here looks like a number 6. All right, so I gotta fill them on that. And then section 250.24, when you're dealing with services. All right, so that grounding electrode conductor should go all the way to the first disconnecting means. This is not the first disconnecting means, and it's not connected to where the grounded, the neutral conductor terminates at. So that's another failure right there. This ground electrode conductor should go all the way through to the disconnect that's going to be outside here, because that's where you're going to have your bonding. Your equipment ground bar and your neutral bar is going to be bonded. So that's what the code states, 250.24. And with your bonding jumpers, all right, based off what size they use, you know, from the meter to the disconnect out there, it should be a number 4. From this here, the low side here, it can be a number 6 bonding this here at both ends. So this is a metal conduit attaching this panel and a disconnect that's outside. So this metal conduit should be bonded, have bonding bushings on both ends, and bonded. All right. So yeah, that's some couple of things. And let's say if this here was your first disconnecting means, now this your grounding electrode conductor would terminate right there. Terminate right there. Right there. That's where you're right next to your neutral. All right. So, and then you would use your green bonding screw right there, because this will be your first disconnecting means. But this is not the case with this here setup. You have a disconnect on the outside, because that's what the new codes require now. So that disconnect on the outside at 200 amp, now you have to bond your neutral and ground bar on that one, and that make this one here like they have it here. It should be a you should float your neutral, and this is your sub panel. All right, that's all I want to show you guys. Big Sid out, always ready.